Alright everybody, welcome back to our channel. I will be opening some Chilling Reign booster packs and a blister pack as well. Let's get into it. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy. Let's go. Alright, so let's go with a Calyrex pack first. We'll do the blister pack last. Alright, pack one. Alright. Energy. Peony. Whirlipede. Crushing Blows. Scorbunny. Aron. Snorunt. Venipede. Snover. Hey, Fog Crystal. That's pretty cool looking. And a Slurpuff. Alright, well. Alright. Let's get on to the second pack. Who knows, maybe shaving off my goatee was bad luck. That's alright. See what happens. Fire Energy. Melanie. Whirlipede. Seagold. Yamask. Swirlix. Castform. Sunnyform. Castform. Ladybug. Ooh, a Weedle. That's pretty cool. And a Graplocked. Holographic rare. Cool. Alright, let's get into this blister pack. This one is the This is the Snorlax, if I can get it to focus. Snorlax version. And, well, all of the coins are the same. So, nothing special about it. If I can get it to focus. Alright. This pack feels lucky. Let's see. Let's do Moltres last. Why not? One, two, three, four. Energy. Lucky Energy. Porygon 2. Raboot. Castform Sunny, Schweel, or Sfeel, Hatena, Rockruff, Shuppet, Thwacky, hey, good old Zapdos. That is fantastic. All right, well, maybe I should have started with maybe I should have started with the Moltres. Anyhow. It's a good little card. I believe they all have alternate arts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Leaf Energy. Thwacky. Echoing Horn, Seabull, Sobble, Inkay, Squavit, Scorbunny, Diglett. Ooh, Porygon Z. That's really cool. And a Surfetched non-holographic. That's okay. Alright. Final pack here. Maybe. There we go. Maybe not. Come on. Alright. One day I'll get good at opening those dang things. Alright. Alright. Energy. Clara. Haunter. Doctor. Mareep. Heracross. Clobbopus. Grookey. Sneasel. A Sawsbuck. And a Blissey V. All right. Well, I am glad I saved that pack for last. So we got a Zapdos V and a good old Blissey. Got a Thwacky. I really like that one's name because it's just kind of funny to me. Porygon. Reverse Holo Rare. Sawsbuck. Reverse Holographic Rare. Weedle and a Graplock. If I can get this sucker to handle. All right, well. All right, everybody. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed opening it for everybody. Thank you all for coming back to our channel. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful night. Thank you all so much.